Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're in Jersey City, New Jersey, right in the heart of the vibrant Jersey Arts District to check out the Canopy by Hilton Hotel. Several hours on the road from Toronto led us here. We have been to New York many times, but this was our first time to stay in Jersey City. Let's dive right in. First impressions matter, and the lobby of the Canopy Hotel surely makes a statement. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by colorful guitars hanging on the walls by the front desk. The lobby is modern, stylishly designed, lots of earth tones, and infused with elements inspired by the local art scene. The open layout creates a spacious and welcoming atmosphere, making it a great place to relax or catch up on work. One interesting note is that the lobby is actually on the second floor. You'll have to go up an elevator when you walk through the main entrance. The Canopy Bar and Bistro, which is conveniently located next to the lobby, is a great place to just hang out, have a drink with a friend, grab a bite to eat, or even to pass the time. There's plenty of seating, and in such an open space, we found that there were plenty of people that would meet here and do work here. The happy hour is from 3 to 6 p.m. from Monday to Thursday, with the kitchen open until 10 p.m. One of the standout features of the Canopy Hotel is its beautiful outdoor patio or terrace. The patio provides an outdoor oasis where you can rest and unwind. With comfortable seating, a flower wall providing greenery, it's the perfect spot to enjoy a drink or socialize with friends. It truly adds an extra layer of relaxation to your stay. Now let's head up through the elevator and make our way to our room. We're still a new channel on YouTube. It would mean a lot to us if you would consider subscribing and dropping a like on this video. Now let's get back to it. It seems from first impressions the kids were quite impressed.
It's so nice. Wow, so nice.
The room is not fancy, nor is it overly large. There is storage and hang space on the left when you walk in, where you can put your stuff. The bathroom on the right hand side. It has the usual sink, toilet, and rain shower. You'll also find a coffee station with an espresso machine, a pull-out mini fridge with enough space for your cold drinks or any fruits or snacks, a standard room safe that can easily fit a laptop and other valuables. We had the double queen bed configuration, which were comfortable with premium linens that gave us a good night's sleep. The room also features a spacious work desk, perfect for business travelers or those who just need to catch up on some emails. I really like the barn doors that separated both the entryway from the bedrooms. The hotel also uses barn door style doors, separating the sink area from the toilet and shower in the bathroom. We also like the different puns written on the hangers. These details make the room a little more fun. The large windows allow plenty of natural light to flood the room during the day, with some high floor rooms even having a slight view of the Hudson River. That wraps up our experience at the Canopy by Hilton Jersey Arts District Hotel. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel and drop a like on this video. We have more Jersey videos coming soon. See you next time.